Shanghai Tops Group Company Limited, established in 2011, located in Shanghai, China, is a professional supplier engaged in machines of complete line for different kinds of powder, granular, and liquid products like double ribbon mixer, single or double shaft paddle mixer, auger filling machine, automatic capping machine, labeling machine, rotary packing machine, liquid filling and capping machine, and so on. Our main target of working is to offer the products which are related to the food industry, agriculture industry, chemical industry, pharmacy field, and so on. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and make you satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates and patent technology certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are exported to more than 80 countries all over the world in Europe, North and South America, Australia, Asia, and Africa. We have ability to receive both standard and customized orders, and also welcome OEM and ODM orders because we have sufficient design and supply capacity to handle your requirement. We value our customers and are dedicated to maintaining relationships to ensure continued satisfaction and create win-win relationship. We always adhere to this company philosophy. Constant pursuit of excellence. Always focus on technological innovation. Always adhere to quality service. Let's work hard together and make much greater success in the future.